Wow, can that be seen over there? I don't know. I don't see it on the camera. Oh, there it is. Check engine light finally came on. I got the sort of rattle. I haven't heard it in a while. I've heard it way worse, actually. Used to be more common in cold weather, but I think it was because I didn't watch the oil level so much and it'd get below half. Seems like when it gets half or lower, it tends to do that in the warmer weather. Colder weather, maybe not as much. I don't know. I gotta look into it. And then I've been using the Mobile One 20,000 versus a 10,000, and then topping off. Prior, I'd use a Toyota 0W20, but of course, all full synthetic. But yeah, there's that screen issue too. I'm not super worried about that, but yeah. So now it's time to change PCV valve, I think, and the intake, and well, I guess first and foremost for the GR circuit, see what the code is, what the check engine light is. So, but yeah, the oil level was down. I started getting a little rattle. It was almost a half. Filled it back up, didn't notice it, but I'm assuming maybe PCV more obvious because I was parking on an incline with the front up higher, but that doesn't make sense because the PCV valve would be up higher, I think. I don't know what would be the situation. So hopefully I didn't screw it up by overfilling, because I did fill it up above over the dot. Wound up after I drove around, let it set. I was like, oh crap, it's above the bend. So hopefully I didn't screw anything up. But I got to work on this. So anyways, be safe, stay healthy, and learn something new. Take care. Bye for now.